Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we're making my no-churn chocolate vanilla swirl ice cream with brownies and marshmallows. No ice cream machine is needed and it's packed with rich chocolate, soft brownies, gooey marshmallows and creamy vanilla. So let's get started. Here are the ingredients for the recipe. Feel free to pause the video and get everything together. I will also provide a link to the recipe, so feel free to check the website if you need to. First, start by breaking up 4 ounces of your favorite milk chocolate. I'm using a Cadbury's milk chocolate bar here. Microwave it in 15-second increments until fully melted. Once melted, set the bowl aside to cool. We want the chocolate to cool down while still remaining soft and gooey. Next, we have 1.5 cups of bite-sized pieces of my cheesecake brownies. You can use regular brownies, homemade or store-bought. However, I will link the cheesecake brownies recipe in case you want to use it in your ice cream. And 1 cup of mini marshmallows for our ice cream. Now in a large bowl, add 2 cups of cold heavy whipping cream. Next, add 1 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of xanthan gum. Using xanthan gum is optional, but I add it for smooth, scoopable texture for my ice cream. And 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Whip everything together until soft peaks form, just enough that it holds its shape. Now add 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk, gently fold it in. Be careful not to deflate the cream, just mix until it's fully combined. Now pour half of that ice cream base into a separate bowl. Then pour the melted chocolate into that bowl. Gently fold until you've got a smooth, chocolatey mix. This will give us a chocolate and a vanilla ice cream mix. In a freezer-safe container, sprinkle 1/3 of chopped brownies and 1/2 cup of mini marshmallows and pour in the vanilla ice cream mix. Smoothen it out. And add 1/3 of brownies and a cup of marshmallows on top. Now pour in the chocolate layer. Smoothen it out. And finish with the last of the brownie chunks on top. Use a clean knife or a skewer to gently swirl the layers together. Just a few figure eights to marble the chocolate and vanilla and spread the brownies and marshmallows evenly. Cover and freeze for 6 to 8 hours. And here is our ice cream. It's all set. And look at how creamy it looks. Okay, this is unreal. Gooey marshmallows, fudgy brownies, creamy chocolate, and vanilla ice cream all in one scoop. If you love no-churn ice cream recipes like this, hit that like button, subscribe for more sweet ideas, and drop a comment with your favorite mix-in combo. Until next time, stay cool and stay sweet.